Imagine you're in your local supermarket looking for something creamy, but also chocolatey. You know what you're going to. However, you run into the chocolate sandwich cookies. Disgusted! And run away to your delicious Nabisco Oreos, ignoring you just paid $1.60 extra. So do brands really matter? Today, we test a question bigger than time travel. Not really. What's really inside that package? Let's get to it.
Welcome to Abe's Corner, featuring me, Abe the Baker. In my past videos, I've done a lot of baking, but I also really like food. So we are doing a new series called Do Brands Really Matter? In our first episode, we've got the Oreos competing against the KROGER Oreos and the PUBLIX Oreos. Let's see if brands really matter. Before we begin, we are going to go over the prices and the amounts of cookies. So the Kaleidos Oreos are $1.69. The regular Oreos are $3.29. And the PUBLIX Oreos are $2.52. So the amounts are, the PUBLIX has 36 cookies. The regular Oreos also have 36. And the KROGER has 27. We accidentally bought the double stuff for KROGER because they didn't have the regular. So that's why they have 27. At first glance, I saw that the KROGER Kaleidos and the Nabisco Oreos are very creative packaging. They have all on the Kaleidos, they have the sandwich cookies on them, and the Oreos, they have the big Oreo. But on the other hand, the PUBLIX sandwich cookies, it's very a bland package, and it's not resealable. That's a very big disadvantage if you want them to stay fresh for longer. But I guess if you're really hungry, I mean, that's okay, but yeah. So now we're going to the presentation category. So as you see, the KROGER Kaleidos, it says dip 'em, love 'em. This makes me want to have a glass of milk. I really like this design, but now let's put it to the twist test. It's not very coming off. Ooh. It's passed the twist test. As you can see, there's like nothing on this other cookie. So now we're going to do the Oreos. It just says Oreo on it. Little designs on it. Now we are going to put this to the twist test. It didn't really pass, guys. And it's kind of crumbling. It crumbled. I don't know if that really passed the twist test. And now we're going to the PUBLIX. It just said PUBLIX on it. It doesn't really appeal because it just says PUBLIX. It stays in my hand, I guess. Now we're gonna put this to the twist test. Very nice, very nice. That also passed, just the Oreos didn't really pass. So now I'm gonna put my blindfold on and my handy helper is gonna go mix up these cookies for me. This crumbles in my mouth a lot. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this 8.5, probably. It's not too sweet. The cream isn't great, but it kind of crumbles while you're eating it, so it can get hard to eat. I don't really taste the cream in this cookie. really sweet, but I can't really taste the cream. Well, I give this like a rating out of 1 to 10. 6.5. Very good. I can taste the cream and the chocolate cookie both together. It's not too sweet, not too savory. I would give this another, maybe an 8.5 to a 9. So now I'm gonna reveal the cookies. I'm really scared to see which ones I rated high and the ones I rated low. So the first one I ate is gonna be closest to the left, and the last one I ate is gonna be closest to the right. So, okay, so I gave the 8.5 to the Kroger, the 6.5 to the Publix, and I gave the 8.5 to the 9 Oreos. So I'm pretty surprised with my results. I see myself saying that. So I would recommend getting either Oreos or the Kroger brand. So the winner is Oreos. But I would say Kaleidos are a great backup plan when Oreos are not on sale. But always make sure to check your labels just in case if there are ingredients you need or don't want. Happy taste testing! Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. We are going to be continuing the series Do Brands Really Matter? But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching Abe's Corner.